Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to be back here. It's been a while, but I'm happy to come and connect with you. In today's video, I just want to do a quick cleanup of my studio and also share with you these yummy pancakes that you know. So now, for now, you know that I love them. I love pancakes. Pancakes can go with anything. Anything at any time is pancake time. So here I'm just making a few pancakes for myself and hubby, so that by the time he comes from work, he can get something to eat. And meanwhile, I will also be cleaning our studio apartment. So I moved to a smaller house, as you will see in the video. So that is what I will be cleaning up: my bedroom, in the studio, stroke my living room. It's a small studio, but I hope you will like it. And yeah, please join me as I do the cleaning. It's just not a thorough one, just cleaning up stuff. I'll show you also my kitchen, but I will not be cleaning it in this video. But the next video that I will post, I'll be showing you how I managed to clean the kitchenette. So please enjoy and keep it locked. Remember to subscribe if you're a new follower, and also you can share with friends and subscribe, please. Okay, hope you enjoy. So now guys, I have finished making the bed. Now I would like to dust the table, study table there, and also to dust the window. It has been dusty of late. So what I used to dust my house, I used dishwashing liquid. I just put like a teaspoon and then I mix with water. So for me that works as a dusting solution, or sometimes I just use vinegar and water and it works well. So basically that's what I want to do here before now I head to the living room. I don't know for you guys, but for me, I like working when the TV is on. Maybe I'm listening to a podcast or I'm also watching a cleaning video, because that motivates me to continue cleaning, and it just gives me that motivation, that oomph you need. So here, first I have to even dust the chair. I remove the cushions because I know there are things that are hiding under the chair. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just trying to remove the dirt. Then I will wipe the cushions. Then now I clean up the rest of the space before I vacuum. So now, as you can see, I have finished cleaning up. I was just tying the curtains there, and now I would like to show you how my space looks like. So everything is clean now. I am happy with my result. I hope you like it too. I hope you've also been motivated to clean up your space. And thank you for watching, guys. Bye.